guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Malari. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button while it's on your mind. Subscribe to my channel now, join the family, and let's get right into this video. We've been doing a lot of product reviews here lately, but it's been a while since I've done a Violet Voss palette review, which I'm super excited about. We did get this in BoxyCharm a couple months ago. Let's look at the color story. Violet Voss palettes are always packed with pigment, but just from looking at it, I feel like there's not many different looks that I can create with this. So we're just gonna do one eyeshadow look on both eyes instead of the two that we normally do. So even though I like this purple and I really like these shades here, I don't really feel like they're gonna do much for my skin tone, especially this one. The shimmer is very nice, but I think that we're just gonna use these top shades right here and create a more neutral, like everyday look today. So the first color I'm gonna go into is Desert Sand. Now this one is definitely just like a transition shade. It's way too light to be considered anything else, especially on my skin tone. So we're just going to create a base for the rest of the colors to blend into in our crease. So just like I thought, this shade, it just came off, and I mean, it has pigment to it for sure, but it's just like way too light. So now we're just gonna go into Amber Sky and deepen up that crease. Now Amber Sky is very, very pretty. It's almost as if we don't really need anything else to blend it out to make it deeper, but we're gonna use that other shade just because I wanna be able to use as many shades as I can in this palette. So now we're gonna go into Dusk right here. This is the deepest shade in the palette. Just gonna darken up that crease even more. Okay, so it's looking pretty deep. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna go into Amber Sky and then into Dusk and deepen up my crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the shade Vanilla right here. I'm gonna put this on my lid. I'm not really gonna do, I mean, in the end, it'll probably end up looking like a cut crease, but I'm not gonna actually like take stuff and cut the crease out. Just gonna put it in here. But now with Amber Sky again, I'm gonna go back in here and just kind of blend around. I'm gonna take the color Champagne and I'm going to put that in my, like, I'll just have to show you. I really don't know what this is called. Just gonna put it through here. So kind of like the inner corner, but being brought up. This shade has a lot of fallout, but it's very pretty. I love the, like, it truly is like a champagne color. It's very, very pretty. So now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Again, taking that vanilla, just kind of packing it onto my lid. This is a very, very pretty shade. Taking that color Champagne. And then again, blending out that outer corner. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and finish off this look with some liner, lashes, and mascara. I feel like that'll really tie the look in together, and then we might actually use another color under the, like under here. So let me go ahead and put on the lashes, liner, mascara, and then we'll see what we do next. Okay, so for today's lip combination, I did the, this is the Antique Velvet by MAC, and this is the Dolly Lip Gloss by the Reindeer ColourPop collection. I said by the, out of the Reindeer ColourPop collection. So I just mixed these two together. I almost used this lipstick as a lip liner and then just used the gloss as a gloss. So overall, I would say that the Violet Voss Violet Sunset palette, it is okay. Like, it's something that I would reach for every day, for just like an everyday look like this. Definitely not one to try to get too creative with because it doesn't have that much to work with. It's just a regular palette. So I would say that it's great that we got it in the BoxyCharm because, you know, we only paid $25 or however much for yours. I just got the base box, it's $25, so I got this in there basically for nothing. So I mean, it's okay. I'm not gonna knock it. The shades that are in here are very nice. So the packaging is very cute. I don't think we talked about that at all. This Violet Sunset part and the Violet Voss is embossed, and just the color shades where it's like the gradient right here, that's very, very cute. So overall, I would say it's a nice one to have in your collection. This is definitely something I would use for like an everyday look, like every day. 'Cause, you know, we all got them palettes where we just be like whipping something up real quick and then out the door. This is one of those for me. So that is it for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, make sure that you're subscribed. We're gonna have content coming at you back to back for the rest of the week, well, for the rest of the month really. So you guys will see my face in the next one.